जय श्री कृष्ण दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका इस वीडियो में। आज हम करने वाले हैं 40 जीके के सवाल। दोस्तों ये सवाल साइंस से रिलेटेड होंगे, तो अगर आपको साइंस में इंटरेस्ट है या आप जीके की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो इन सभी सवालों का सही जवाब देके दिखाइए। चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। क्वेश्चन 1, टाइम टेकन बाय द सन टू रिवॉल्व अराउंड द सेंटर ऑफ आवर गैलेक्सी इज। आंसर 25 crore years. Question 2, the color of the star indicates its। Answer temperature. Question 3, Big Bang theory is related to। Answer origin of the universe. The Milky Way is classified as। Answer spiral galaxy. Which is the celestial phenomena which occurs due to stars? Answer black hole. Question 6, the black hole theory was propounded by। Answer S. Chandrasekhar. The supernova is। Question 8, how many constellations are there in space? Answer 88. Question 9, which one of the following is not an astronomical object? Answer brittle star. A group of stars arranged in the spectacular shape is called। Answer constellation. Light years is a unit of। Answer distance. Which one of the following is not a natural unit of time? Answer standard time. The unit of measuring distance between the star is known as। Answer light year. A group of stars that indicates the direction of pole is। Answer Saptarishi. The scientist who first discovered the earth revolved around the sun was। Sir Copernicus. Question 16, which one of the following does not belongs to the solar system? Answer nebula. Question 17, the number of planets in the solar system is। Answer 8. Question 18, which of the given two planets are between Mars and Uranus in the order of distance from Sun is। Answer Jupiter and Saturn. The planets between Earth and Sun are। Answer Mercury and Venus. The Earth is located between। Answer Venus and Mars. Question 21, the planet nearest to the Sun is। Answer Mercury. Which of the following pairs is not properly matched? Answer the lowest moving planet of our solar system, Mars. Hydrogen, helium and methane are the main gases present on। Answer Jupiter, Saturn and Mars. Which of the following is not a planet of solar system? Answer Florida. Solar eclipse occurs due। Answer new moon day. The substance present at the center of the sun are in। Answer the form of gas and plasma. Solar energy is due to। Answer nuclear fission. Every solar eclipse occurs on। Answer Amavasya only. What does the solar eclipse occur? When does the solar eclipse occur? When Earth comes between the Earth and Sun. One astronomical unit is average distance। Answer between Earth and Sun. The distance between Earth and the Sun is। Answer 149.6 million kilometers. The Earth is nearest to the Sun on। Answer 3rd January. The size of the Sun is how many times bigger than that of Earth? Answer 109 times. Which one of the following planets does not have a satellite? Answer Venus. Which of the following planets does not have a satellite? Answer Mercury. Which one of the following planets takes the least time on the orbit of Sun? Answer Mercury. The two planets having no satellite are? Answer Mercury and Venus. Which of the following is known as the morning star? Answer Venus. The planet which is called the twin sister of Earth is? Answer Venus. The hottest planet of our solar system is? दोस्तों looks में नहीं. Answer Venus. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you learned something new from this video, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.